SpaceX just raised an extra $10.7 billion in a single move that most investors have never heard of. It's called a Greenshoe option, and underwriters exercised it today, making SpaceX's IPO raise a total of $85.7 billion. The mechanism works like this: when demand for an IPO explodes, underwriters get the right to sell 15% more shares than originally planned. SpaceX's version was the largest greenshoe in tech history. And here's the part that matters: they negotiated zero fees. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley just walked away from $75 million in standard underwriting charges because SpaceX had the leverage to demand it. This is the same company Elon Musk said would never go public until humans landed on Mars. For years he argued that shareholders would kill the Mars mission because the returns were too distant. Then in December 2025, he reversed. The IPO launched June 12. Demand was 4 times oversubscribed. Retail investors alone tried to buy $70 billion worth of shares. 3 days later, underwriters triggered the Greenshoe. The fee waiver reveals something: SpaceX didn't need Wall Street. Wall Street needed SpaceX. SpaceX completed its initial public offering, raising $85.7 billion after underwriters exercised the Greenshoe option to meet overwhelming investor demand. The offering represents one of the largest IPOs in history, valuing Elon Musk's aerospace company at a massive premium. The Greenshoe mechanism allowed underwriters to sell additional shares beyond the original offering size to stabilize the stock price and accommodate excess demand. This massive capital raise gives SpaceX unprecedented resources to accelerate its Starship development, satellite constellation expansion, and Mars colonization plans while reducing its reliance on private funding rounds. The IPO's success signals investor confidence in the commercial space industry's long-term viability and could trigger a wave of space sector public offerings, fundamentally reshaping how humanity's expansion beyond Earth is financed.